Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we will take a trade in Nifty. Let's draw trend lines first. This is Bank Nifty. It is taking support. Yes, it is, and it is consolidated too. Now Nifty is taking support from trend lines. Let's see where we'll get entry. Let's have another trend line on a biggest time frame. Yes. Now it is respecting to Firstly I was tried to take entry over here. It was not I was not so sure. So just draw how much it will be a risk reward ratio. But it was very unfortunate. Now it comes below 20 EMA. Now it is the time to take a trade. I have opened another window to take a trade, but I was not sure to take a trade because there is immediate support. You can see a red line below it. It is taking support, so that's why I just open a window to take a trade, but I didn't take it. You can see how Nifty is behaving. It is completely range bound. Yes. Now let's see whether it hits a stop loss or it will give us a profit. I was trying to take a trade, but I have cancelled it because it has not break that trend line support, so I should stop now. So it is better to not take a trade. Yeah, see, this is another opportunity on the long side. Let's see how it would work. Yes, first stop loss is hit and trade went in loss. Let's see for another trade which I took. It was also nice trade, but it was not going or breaking out that resistance, so it was very too short trade. I was waiting for breaking out. Yeah, but hopefully, yeah, it is again hit my second stop loss. Yes, now I'm trying for another opportunity. I'll send a other screenshot of third trade. It's also get hit.